Welcome to the July 2025 Hero Studio Stamp and Cut of the Month called Sending Big Hugs. Let's take a look at this month's product. This set includes a mix of both block letters and coordinating script sentiments, perfect for building heartfelt greetings. You'll find large stamps with shadow stamps for sentiments like big hugs, as well as friend, along with several smaller phrases like sending, thank you for being a, hello, hey there, I miss you, and you're the best. It also includes fun postage-themed accents, like a postmark and a stamp image. The Stamp and Cut also includes a full set of coordinating dies to cut out every element. Whether you keep it simple or layered up, this set is made for mixing, matching, and everyday card making. Let's make a card together with this month's product. Start by placing an A2 sized piece of Deluxe Smooth White cardstock in your stamp positioner. Next, take the outline friend stamp and place it inside. Lift your stamp with your top plate and then stamp it with intensified black ink. Be sure to ink up your stamp well. Flip and press your top plate and lift. If you need to stamp a second time, ink your stamp again and then just flip your plate back over and press down a second time. Stamp the word friend 2 more times. Next, choose the shadow that goes with the word friend. Line it up so that it goes underneath your stamped friend. Lift your stamp and then stamp it with Peony Core ink. Flip and press and lift. Stamp a second time to ensure that your color is nice and bold. Flip and press and lift. Stamp the shadow for your second friend using Paradise Core ink. Stamp the shadow for your third friend using Pink Grapefruit. Die cut your stamped sentiments using the coordinating dies. Then stamp 2 postage stamps and the air cancellation stamp twice. Also stamp the 3 sub-sentiments, I miss you, thank you for being a, and you're the best. Die cut your images using the coordinating dies. Color in the postage stamps using alcohol markers. I'm using BG 2.4 and R 2.2. Arrange your die cuts on a piece of white cardstock that's cut to 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. Then use a combination of liquid glue and adhesive foam squares to adhere your die cuts. By using both, you create fun dimension on your card. Add glue to the back of your completed panel and center it on a piece of teal topaz cardstock. Add glue to the back and adhere it to an A2 sized card base. And you're done! Try personalizing your card by changing the color palette, rearranging the sentiments, or maybe try a fun envelope theme. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.